We're going on a little quick trip to an antique store because I have something in mind that I want to get. I'm super excited about. If you live in Northwest Oregon and love antiquing, you might want to check out McMinnville. On their street, 3rd Avenue, there are a lot of antique shops. And this is the shop I got my piece from. There were so many beautiful frames and pictures. Loved this vendor. Oh, I love this lamp. Heading upstairs. Gonna have to voice over through most of this because there were a few people around, plus the music they were playing in the background. It will be copyrighted for sure. Funny, I have one almost like this. Not as in good of shape though. So many different soaps and hand lotions around here, which is not uncommon here in Oregon. Everybody makes goat soap or sheep milk soap. I love that little cottagey cookie jar. Speaking of cookies, these look like some old cookie cutters, which I have way too many of that don't get used often enough. Oh, quilts and that tea tray. Oh, I do not need any more quilts or a tea tray. All the time someone took to make those blankets. That's pretty. However, I don't think it's quite the right green. I probably could paint it, but I already have an antique desk. What am I doing? Come on, Jenny. You don't need more stuff that you already have. Just keep walking. However, I do need some antique-looking gold frames. I want to make a gallery wall at some point here. And those blue and white dishes are so pretty. But no, I have definitely enough dishes at my place. I do not need any more. This display cabinet is pretty. Let's see how much it is. Yikes! Definitely not in my wheelhouse. Phew. Okay, so now I'm feeling old. They have a rotary phone as an antique. What does that say that I'm old enough to remember them?
So many typewriters.
And I'm also old enough to learn typing on a typewriter. Just barely, but I am. I think my year was the last year that had typewriters. These are some children's books, and I am looking for a specific children's book. Unfortunately, I cannot remember the name of it. All I remember, it was a squirrel who had some ruffian red squirrels come and destroy her house and take over her house, and she had to find a new place, and she was scared they'd come and take her new place, and some toy soldiers came and helped her out. I think the little squirrel's name was Susie. If you all know the book I'm talking about and the name of that book, please let me know. I am searching for that book. It was one of my most favorite books as a child in 1st grade. Love Audrey Hepburn. Who doesn't though? Some Bridgerton style dresses from the 1970s. The Empire waist was so popular back then. Oh, I remember my mom wearing them. Check that out. Glow in the dark dishware. It's very interesting.
Your husband says he's ready to go.
All right. Well, then I guess I better go. I'm so excited to show you what I ended up getting there. I'll wait until we get it all inside. Okay, so here it is in all its glory. This is the piece that we picked up, and I am in love with this. I actually saw this on Facebook Marketplace about back in July of last year. And I had nowhere to put it at the old house, and we didn't do drawers because we lived in the country and mice. For some reason, mice like getting into drawers. Don't have to worry about that here. So now I can get my dresser, and by some miracle, it was not bought yet. It was not the cheapest thing in the world, but definitely nowhere near the price of the display cabinet that I liked. But this is so pretty. So I am in love with this. And the color, for those of you wondering what color this is, it's Ash by Fusion Paint. It's an oil paint. The woman who did it told me that. And this is just a, I don't know what you call it, a decollage that she got at another antique store that she like Mod Podged it, I guess, with. I'm not sure, but I think it's so pretty. It's me and my personality pretty well. And this color is so weird because in certain lights, it looks gray. Like right now, it looks gray. In the morning, it looks gray. Towards the afternoon, gosh, the wind is blowing today. Towards the afternoon, it kind of looks like a navy blue, which goes with our bedroom furniture so great. And then in the evening, it looks black. So it's kind of a weird color, but it's called Ash by Fusion Paint. So, but look at the inside of the drawers. They're even lined with like butterfly and bird contact paper. How cool is that? Like, it was just so perfect. I could not resist it. This is maybe one of my favorite pieces of furniture that I've ever bought. I love my antique desk too, but look at the work on it, the little scroll work. Is that what do they call that? It's not quite a fleur de lure. It's not a full one, I don't think, but I just think it's so pretty. I'm not sure about the black knobs. I don't know. I might change these knobs one day. I really do like these, but it was just, I couldn't resist it. Anyway, that's the piece I picked up, and I love it. I hope you enjoyed watching, and until next time, feed the pollinators for me.